Hello and welcome to day one of Vlogmas! Yee! But today, me, Richard and Lisa, which is Richard's brother's partner, we're going to Ikea. So you'll see a bit of Ikea today. If I can get my... You might not see me in Ikea because obviously talking to a camera in front of people is still a bit scary to me at the moment. But we'll see how we get on. It's a bit different. Like if I had my phone, it'd be easier because I could just do it and pretend I'm on FaceTime or something. But when it's an actual camera, it's not too sure. But anyway, I'm gonna go have my breakfast, and I'm not having a big breakfast because when you get to Ikea, they do, obviously they have food there, and they have a full English breakfast for like £2. That's the kind of price I like. So yeah. My lips are really dry. Must get some stuff. What am I going to use? Oh, do a quick what am I wearing today, because it's not going to be anything special because I'm going to Ikea. These are all old stuff. So today I am wearing... I'm getting a new mirror today at Ikea, hopefully. Ah ha ha. So I'm wearing my Johnny jeans. Haven't decided what shoes I'm wearing yet. And this is just a very old jumper from Topshop, which I feel like I might change. So this might not make the cut. So I've already changed my outfit. Oh. Am I zoomed in enough? No, we don't want to zoom in too much. So I've already changed my outfit. I'm wearing my Johnny jeans still, and this is my red Zara jumper. So I'm going to wear this. So yeah, already changed it. That's how my mind works. Yee! Go on my eyebrows. They are on fleek!
Lisa's on the phone, she won't hear.
Oh, that's, oh yeah, that's, good. Yeah, I already got.
If you want to be a vlogger, Jade, you've got to do it. Because I don't think I did it.
I like the bar. Did you lose me?
Yeah.
Traffic jam.
Big traffic jam.
A big traffic jam. So it's about 6:15 and I've been out all day. I didn't vlog while I was out much because I was a bit self-conscious about it. So I thought I'd just vlog coming home now, and I thought I'd just show you everything that I bought in Ikea. So we got this, which was just a little throw, which I thought would be good to put on the bed when Tex goes on there. That was £3 for this grey throw, and it's really soft. Then I got this, which is probably not something that I do really need, but it's basically a thing where you can put on your lap, like a laptop thing, but it's got a cushion on the bottom. That was £10, and it's got a little handle as well. We ordered a bed, but we've got the bed, but we haven't got the mattress yet. So for when that come, we got a fitted sheet, which I think was something like £8. Protector. I can't remember how much that was, but that's what Richard wanted to get, this mattress protector. And then we got this brush, which is like 95p, and they're really handy. And also they've got a little spongy. Oh, that's stuck on there as well. No, it doesn't start. And the last thing I got were dye bars. So yeah, you won't see much of IKEA. I did do a little bit of recording, but it was really hard. So we're home now. Richard's gone out with Tex, and these are the things that we bought. So this is part of the drawer set, and then we've got another chest of drawers, and then this is the mirror, which is which was how much was it? £20. It wasn't as big as I wanted, but we were a bit worried about what would fit in the car. So that's that. Oh, and I got this. I forgot. Everything's a bit messy in here, I apologise. This is a picture ledge, so that can go on the wall. So that's that. Also, I do apologise. Today, the first vlog is probably going to be a bit of a boring one. But there you go. I've been busy. Oh, actually, we could open my advent calendars. That's what we will do. I've got three chocolate ones. So that one's Richard, that one's mine, this one's mine. And I also have another one like that. And then I have my Ciate one, which I think we should open now, because this will be the fun one to open. So number one is here. Let's get that out. A girl should be two things: who and what she wants. That is true. Let's have a look here what colour I have. So we have, ooh, let's focus it in. Yep, very nice. What is this one called? This is Midnight in Paris. Nail varnish. It's kind of like a, can't really tell. God, my hands look really wrinkly. But we've got like a bit of a shimmer. Brilliant. So, but my post went up today, my Bourbon biscuit post, and I think that went all right. So good. I hope you all enjoyed that. And then tomorrow is going to be the gift guide for her, and then the day after will be the gift guide for him, and then the blog post afterwards will be this vlog. So I've just looked at all the vlogs that I've vlogged and that I've done today, and I don't like any of it. Oh dear, I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Have McDonald's for tea.
Yes, we can have a McDonald's for tea.
Yeah.
I'm heating the ginger up for my cream, my filling for tomorrow when I make it.
Oh. My mum said acting won't go if you Lisa and my mum wanted to go around tomorrow at some point.
Yeah, I can go around tomorrow. What time?
No.
Yeah. It said to be on point, so.
Pardon? Making a cake?
No, I'm not making the filling. We're making the cake tomorrow morning.
What we're doing?
We're going to McDonald's.
Oh no, I meant to say we're having a takeaway.
Oh.
Well, what's your decision on what you want it to say?
Yeah, I'll have a whatever. A McDonald's or a thingy. Either way will be good. Cold?
Warm in here, eh?
Good.
Nice and warm.
Right, I'm going to say that's beyond the boiling point.
Smells a bit bad.
That's because someone left something on the side. Did you clean it once you'd finished with it last night?
No.
What was that? No? No?
Where's my phone?
I have a mirror. See what this one's like. They can love me like this. Oh, this is one that comes with a hinge, so we can have it as a hinge. That's quite clever. Oh. My new mirror. I'm excited. Right, it's day 2. I've just got up. I'm talking quietly because Richard's still asleep. I've run the kettle. What does that even mean? Today, I'm very tired. Oh my god. It is. The time is, I think it's about 7 o'clock, and once I'm awake I can't go back to sleep, so I'm staying here. I think I need a cup of tea to wake me up today. Reindeer. And number 2 is, oh, this is the best. A little chocolate. Got the snowman on. Lovely. Everywhere's a mess. Isn't it, techie boy? Yes, I go. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, what's that? Kissy kiss. Kisses for my techie boy. He's so beautiful. Smelly, but beautiful. Let's get ready for the day. Trip to Waitrose, our favourite thing to do. Are you just going to have a drink?
Huh?
Are you just going to have a drink?
Free coffee.
Can't go wrong with a free coffee, can you?
Get a free coffee.
Oh, I need
All this was about £2.50. Nah, probably not. Probably about £3, I think. Where's the receipt?
It's empty. It was £4.
Yeah, exaggerate.
All of this was about £2.50.
Exaggerate. It's still cheap, isn't it?
Yes. Lovely.
Wigan and Fylde, 1-1. These. I put 4-0 in the Super 6. Well.
So I am trying to find a top to go with my skirt that I got for my Christmas party. It's not going good. Maybe we should go see what Richard's up to, because he's making tea.
Bounce off each other, and we both share the same passion, which is music.
Go, my shoe. Come on, leave it. Thank you. Good boy, come on. What have we got?
Steak, chips, onions and peppers.
You didn't know them for a
I forgot what
moment.
they're called.
A frying pan, a tray. What's that for? That. So it is day 3, 3rd of December. It's about 10 to 7 in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I'm getting up and I'm going to do some bacon. Right, let's do this. Cake is in the oven. We had a disaster. Richard cooked last night, didn't eat eggs, and he left the chopping board in the oven. So it's now out there broken. So that's no good, and now I'm left to the worst part, which is cleaning up. So I'm wearing the first Christmas jumper of December. Reason for that is that we are going to Deepdale Christmas Market today. That's my happy dance. Woo, woo. So the cake is made. I'm a bit upset because there's not a lot of filling in it. There weren't a lot of cream. After I strained it, it seemed like, you know, because it all sticks to the sieve. So there's not a lot of cream in the middle, but hopefully it'll taste nice. Just took a few pictures for my blog.
I'll be the judge if it tastes nice.
Richard will be the judge if it tastes nice.
My voice just went then.
But yes,
I don't normally sound like that.
my beautiful Santa plate. So yeah, hopefully that'll be tasty. It smells good. Nice and gingery.
Remember Merco used to get advent calendars with no chocolates in, all these like religious ones.
You want some, don't you, Tex?
Is it the third today?
Yes.
I just eat all of one.
Don't eat all of one. Then you'll regret it.
Why?
You've got 2 advent calendars, you might as well have 2. Oh, and that Prosecco is left over from last night. It's not that I'm drinking that in the morning, just to let you know. Hair and makeup done. I've just got to brush my teeth. They're horribly. Just got to brush my teeth, so I thought I would open my advent calendar while I wait for Richard to get out of the shower. So number 3 today. What we got on here? Pair your colour with Geology top coat for extreme long wear. Results with serious added shine. I wonder what's in here then. Probably the Geology. Yep, the Geology, which I have left over from last year, which I didn't use. So we'll see if I use it this year. Very nice. I do like that they come in little boxes, but then it kind of does take the fun out of opening a window. I'm not going to have my chocolate yet because I don't really fancy any. So I'm going to wait to have the chocolate.
Thank you.
Oh, they look really brownie. Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I like the chocolate one.
Oh,
I like the chocolate one.
oh, a caramel sandwich one.
Hot chocolate, Jade. That magic cup.
Oh look, look at the gold coffee one. Oh, that's
They're nice. You stay with me, yeah, or you go with Granny Ann? You go with Granny Ann.
oh, this one's a big one.
Hello there, young lady.
Right.
High five.
High five.
Anyone? High five.